is XC here, and today we are at Winter Wonderland. First of all, thank you for Mitch for providing this hat. I really like the cap, so I brought it with me to here. But as you can see at the moment, Olympia looping is not currently operating. It seems to be suffering with some technical issues now. So yeah, so hopefully it does operate later on the day. But like we don't know when it will open. But yeah, we hope to return to this like later on today. But for now, I think we'll just do some other rides and yeah, and let's just without further ado, let's get started and do other rides first.
Yeah, I'm just gonna pop in and say hello. I'm XM, your usual co-host. I'm also here to try this thingy, but oh well. Well, let's see what happens. But I really hope I can get on this, man. Alright? Alright, I'll see you in a bit then.
So we are just about to get on roller coaster. It should be very exciting for me personally. This is quite a rare coaster type, I think. I think there's maybe 2 or 3 models around the world. So it might be a bit challenging. Hey, it's like rare credit, you gotta get it. So, we will let you know how it goes for the first time afterwards. Yeah, so we just got off roller coaster, and it was actually better than what most enthusiasts think it is. Because most enthusiasts think, God, those restraints are gonna be really headbanging for like Reptron, like inverted top. Probably not a great idea. But let me tell you what, it was actually like better than I think it is. because of like, other than some minor ear blushes or like some minor swear words, as you would see in the POV later on. It was actually not bad because it actually had some airtime. Like through that drop, there was a bit of an airtime. But yeah, otherwise I think it deserves more credit. Although it's janky, it's not the worst coaster I've been on. So that's was it worth like £6? I think probably not. But it is good for what it is, I think. It's definitely an experience that you want to try out. And in terms of lateral through the turns, there wasn't really that much lateral. But otherwise, I really enjoyed it. I don't know how about you, HM. What do you find about like the coaster?
Hi, this is HM. As you can see, I've got a POV for you guys. Excuse me for the swear words, but that's not because of fear, but excitement. It's really, really fun. As a GP, I'm not afraid of this. Come on, man. I've been on Shockwave, so what is this, huh? Yeah, it's really fun. Really good. Really good. And more POV to come. More POV to come.
Do you think it is worth £6? Because personally, I still wouldn't be, persuaded to pay £6 for it. But I think it is decently fun. And it's not as bad as many people say it is.
I would say just slightly expensive. If it's like $4.50 or $5, then yeah, it'll be good. But screw it. Go for it.
Yeah, but otherwise, I think we would get on some other ride. So yeah, we will see you guys on the Wilde Maus XXL for our next ride. It's a Mac Wilde Maus like model, but my overall thought was that it has very good laterals, very good okay airtime, like not like the best airtime you will get, but overall it's a very fun ride, fun would I rank it in like my top 20? Definitely not, but like this is a good fun coaster, I think. How about you, HM? What do you think? How do you think this is?
So again, I've got POV for you guys. Swearing again. This time definitely the airtime was more intimidating, but still it's fun more than fear. And the lateral force is what I expect because I've been playing go-karting, and when you go around a corner with decent grip, then that's almost how you feel like on this ride. That is really, really good. Really love it.
Do you think? Because I don't know what you think. Because for me, I think it is worth the price. Because other than the coaster itself, you also have the funhouse section, which is kind of fun.
Yeah. Again, for the funhouse section, I've got POV as well. Hey. Yeah, and yeah, just you don't need to wait for it in boredom, really. Yeah, it's quite fun. Like some little games, not really tricky, but yeah, just fun. It's great. And on this side, Munchen looping, we see it moving, so there is hope. There is hope. And if it's on, we're definitely going on it. All right. So I'll see you guys in a bit then.
Airborne, as you can see there. So in terms of the cycle, this, as you can see, it doesn't run like the most longest cycle ever. But to be honest, I was a bit disappointed with like the force department of things, that it didn't feel as forceful as I thought it would be. Like, I didn't think that it was that forceful, but the view up there was amazing, let me tell you. Like, even though I don't have my glasses on, I could still see, London, like, from far away. It's a surreal feeling being so high up there. It's not like quite regular that you could get a view like that, but overall, I think 8 months is quite a lot for like the cycle. I would expect the cycle to be a bit longer, but I did enjoy it. I just think it was a bit like underwhelming for me, to be honest. But overall, would I recommend you to do it? Absolutely, you should do it like at least once, but it was underwhelming for me. That being said, if you decide to do it, it's a fantastic ride. You should definitely do it once.
And this is section from the ground. I didn't take this ride, but I did have a look, and just by looking at it, I don't think this is going to be as forceful as it seems like because of the speed of it. And hence the force might not be that, yeah. And the cycle is quite short as well. I don't know, but you'll hear more from HC. Alright, see you in a bit then.
So that's a wrap for us from Winter Wonderland. Unfortunately, Olympia looping never did open. They said it was like electrical issues, but we don't really know what has happened like on Olympia looping. So sadly, it probably has to be next year until I get to do Olympia looping. Normally, I like to always find positives, and I guess in this case, the positive is that I get to do 3 rides, Airborne and the other 2, Wilde Maus XXL and Euro Coaster, which are solid rides. Don't get me wrong, like they are fun rides, but certainly I was just a bit disappointed that I never got to ride Olympia looping. But that is definitely an excuse for me to come back next year. For Olympia looping, and also hangover, because frankly, to be honest, I chickened out when I saw the Hyde of it, and funny that I did Airborne, but not like not hangover. But overall, I would always see the positives of having a visit, and I know it's not necessarily the operator's fault, because obviously they're trying to fix everything, but I just think there could be more communication done on the part of the organizer, that hey, this might be closed or something. Like at least there would be some sort of answer there, but there isn't. So it's a bit tough for me. It's a bit tough for me to do the ending. So, but as always, guys, I hope you have better luck when you come to Winter Wonderland. But I don't know about your thoughts, HM, in general. Like, what were your thoughts like for Winter Wonderland?
But basically, yeah, I do agree that this is quite a fun place. But yeah, I'm just gonna give my very own conclusion that it is quite, it's quite expensive, to be honest, and everything. They're fun, but yeah, really costly. Yeah, even I'm a bit sad about not being able to get the Munich looping, but
Because I think I'm more of a rational person, so I feel like, oh well, I missed it. So next year then. Well, it means next year I can come back. Is that true, eh?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I'm definitely looking at this year. It kind of makes me sad in the moment. To be honest, to be honest, it's always about like a journey. Always has to be, I don't like to be some sort of YouTuber. Be like, ooh, like this ride is closed, therefore this is. I'm not that type of person, and I don't usually swear that much anyway. But I just want to be honest about everything, and I do think this event is a bit pricey, but at least it gives me another chance to come back next year to experience all the rides and have some fun, and hopefully next time I wouldn't have that much trouble to get on Olympia looping, but or Munchen looping, as they call it in London, because of trademark issues. But yeah, I guess that's a wrap from Winter Wonderland for us, and
Yeah,
hope to see you guys in next season whenever theme park reopens and stuff.
yeah, and don't forget our podcast as well. We are wrapping up here. Bye.